We are just pulling off Mortimer Road on the way to our new block.
I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. Out of mind, out of state, trying to keep my head on straight. I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. There's only one thing left to do. Drop all I have and go with you. Somewhere back there, I left my worries all behind. My problems fell out of the back of my mind. We're going in, I'm never knowing where we're going. To go back where I was would just be wrong. I'm pressing on. All my distress is going, gone. Pressing on. And I won't sit back and take this anymore, 'cause I'm done with that. I've got one foot out the door, and to go back where I was would just be wrong. I'm pressing on. I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. Out of mind, out of state, trying to keep my head on straight. I think we're going somewhere. We're onto something good here. Adversity, we get around it. Search for joy, and you I found it. Somewhere back there, I left my worries all behind. My problems fell out of the back of my mind. We're going in, I'm never knowing where we're going. To go back where I was would just be wrong. I'm pressing on. All my distress is going, gone. Pressing on. And I won't sit back and take this anymore, 'cause I'm done with that. I've got one foot out the door, and to go back where I was would just be wrong. I'm pressing on.
Welcome to our humble abode. Dun, da, 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 da. A little bit messy at this stage. The home theatre. Not to be much reserved, so it's a little bit of a mess. Come through here, got a little IT nook, piano, have one bedroom, a mirror, another bedroom, 12 centimeters bigger, who would know? My little picture recess. We've got our makeshift curtains, big bed and little nursery nook. It's quite nice. Nice little downlights. Got the walk through mirrors, which is lovely. Hello. Into our ensuite with the beautiful, nice basins and lovely 2 shower nook, which is great. And a dare. Oh, I guess I can take inside. Our toilet, which is in repair. That is the tour. I hope you had a good time. See you soon.